All right, there we go. So what we're going to do is we are going to have a hotspot in Dreamweaver using mapping. All right, the whole point of this is you're making something clickable on an image. Instead of having the whole image clickable, you can make a certain portion of the image clickable. So what we're going to do is we're going to very simply take like a shoe ad where the user can click on the shoe itself, and it will open up a bigger image of the shoe, or it can actually open up an image, another website where somebody can buy the image, buy the shoe at. All right. So with it being placed in our right div, when you select any image, you will notice in the bottom left-hand corner in the property inspector, at the bottom, you'll see something that says map. You'll have a little arrow, and then you will have 3 icons to the right of that arrow right here. These are what you're going to use to create your maps, all right? Now, anything that you draw is going to be the clickable aspect to it. So you've got a rectangle mapping hotspot tool, a circle hotspot tool, and then a polygon. So I'm going to do 3 of them so you can see each one. The rectangle one is very simple. You can just click, hold, and drag and draw a square like that. That means that little mapped out area, Jordan, is the area that your user will be able to click on. Now, obviously, a circle one is going to create circles. So I'm going to go and click off of it, grab the circle one, and now if I was to draw a circle around the soccer ball, like so. Oops. And then the last one I'm going to click off again is the polygon. I enjoy the polygon one because it kind of works like the pen tool in Photoshop where I can click and make anchor points, and I can create any shape I want for the user to click. All right, so all of that meshed area right there are going to be spots that when the user hovers over them, they will be able to get a clickable link. All right, now just doing this won't do anything. All right, you need to select it, and then at the bottom, so notice my hotspot that I created right here around the shoe is selected. Notice down here at the bottom of the properties, you've got a place where you can put a link. So for instance, if I wanted to send my user to a website to buy these shoes, let's see here if I can go to, I'm just going to go ahead and just Google search Adidas soccer shoe and see what pops up. I forgot what those are called. I honestly cannot remember them. David Beckham. Let's see if David Beckham shoes come up. There you go. So if I go to shopping, say I wanted to direct them to this website right here to buy them, which is an eBay site, I would just highlight the URL, paste it in the link, I can have it pop up a new blank document there or web browser. Click here to purchase David Beckham soccer shoes. It's going to be my alternative text. So then when I preview it, it's going to ask me to save this. I'm just going to save it as hotspot example. So now notice if I hover over that portion of the hotspot for the shoe, I get a little finger kind of like, hey, this is a clickable aspect. I click it. There it goes. Pops open to that website. Now, you can actually do this for any website you create. So, for instance, we have that other image, right? Correct? So what we're going to do is tomorrow, since I only have 2 more minutes, kind of want to make sure everybody can get to this aspect. Tomorrow, I will show you how to make it open up to your own image and website. All right? The main thing you guys need to learn about this is just when you have an image, There you go. Down here is your mapping for each image. And once you've done it, you can move it around. You can resize. You can even delete. It works just like anything that you've done in Photoshop for a selection.